Alright, guys, welcome back. Gold Cup time now. This is what we've been leading up to. So at 6:30 p.m. today, Jamaica takes on Suriname. But going into the competition, coming out of the press conference, something quite interesting coming out of Coach Whitmore's mouth here. He says he wants to be the first local coach to win the Gold Cup. All right, now we're going to refer to an article from the Jamaica Observer. Theodore Whitmore has put his ambition at the Concacaf Gold Cup on the table, with the boldest statement yet from a Jamaican tactician. The Reggae Boyz coach is now determined to lift the coveted trophy after it eluded him in 2017 when his team were beaten finalists, and in 2019 when they only made it to the semi-finals. Whitmore, a former Boys midfield standout, wants to go one even better this time around in the 16-team tournament. Now this is a quote. I want a good show and I want to be the first local Jamaican coach to win this tournament. And this is very important and it starts today against Suriname, Whitmore told a virtual press conference on Sunday. Now this continued a quote. I think it's an interesting tournament and we are here to win. As a coach, this competition has eluded me in 2017 and 2019, so we're looking forward for a good show in 2021. Jamaica is ranked 45th by FIFA and will kickstart the Group C campaign with a match against 136 ranked Suriname at the Explorer Stadium in Orlando, Monday starting at 6:30 p.m. All right, that's 5:30 p.m. Jamaican time. Okay, 5:30 p.m. our time. The other group members are Costa Rica and Guadeloupe, and they will follow with their match at 9 p.m. Orlando time, 8 p.m. Jamaica time. All right, now Whitmore says to pave the path to ultimate glory starts with Monday's opening game. So it's very important that we get these 3 points under our belt in this opening game. We have no choice. We have to start good, or it's going to be a rocky road from there. All right, now this is another quote from Whitmore. We went to the final in 2017 and we went back to the semis in 2019. So the whole preparation starts tomorrow night, or which should be today. And for us to reach the final, we have to do well, and I think we have the guys to go out there and perform. Yes, I certainly agree with the coach. I think we definitely have the team. It could have been a bit stronger, especially in the midfield, but that's no excuse. We have to go out there and get results. All right. Okay. He went on to say we want to leave nothing to chance, and we're just here to prepare and give our best at all times, he noted. For the first time in recent history, the boys entered the Gold Cup without lingering issues regarding wages and working conditions. Before coming here, the players and the governing body, Jamaica Football Federation, were able to settle their differences and agree to terms. And this is good because we can actually see a lot of the improvements which have been made around, especially the coaching staff, and we are hoping that it pays off. Guys, in my opinion, I think we have to go into this match maximum 3 points, and I think we should be looking to win this match by at least 2 goals, probably 2-0, 3-1. Suriname is very good going forward. They have a good left back, a good right back. They have experienced players that play in Europe, so we can't be lackadaisical going into this match. We have to go in there with a plan and stick to that plan. And hopefully the coaching team and the players are working on that strategy and are planning to stick to it. We're going to need a performance from everybody on the pitch, from the goalkeeper to the striker. So I just want to say good luck to the Reggae Boyz. And as a fan, we and the fans will be cheering you on. And all the best. Okay, everybody, like and subscribe.